So click on the start menu, settings, here you need to click on apps and type Microsoft Photos. So click on it and click on advanced options. Here you need to scroll down and click on repair and wait a little bit. If it's not help you, you can click on reset. So click on reset if not help. Wait a little bit, confirm. Remember guys to restart your computer after these procedures. Okay, once done, you can try another method. If all this not work, click on search, type PowerShell, right click and click on run as administrator. Okay, wait a little bit and click enter. Then click enter again. So 2 times. Now you are in system 32. Now copy paste command what I will give you in video description. And after that it should also paste it, hit enter, and this should help you. If not, please comment in video section if helped or not. Please subscribe and like this video.